Welcome back to the MeasureSquare iPad tutorials. For multifamily projects, it is often a requirement to have numerous units of the same type estimated. To speed up this process, MeasureSquare Mobile allows you to duplicate the unit tab while providing consolidated waste numbers for just that unit type. In this video, we will be going over how to duplicate rooms, stairs, and also tabs for your MeasureSquare projects. To duplicate rooms, start out by tapping on your desired room and selecting the eye icon. Then select Label Height Coving at the very top to be brought to the Room Details menu. You will then be able to set your duplication for the required number. When wanting to set the duplication for stairs, you can set it by applying the stairs to the diagram and setting your duplications there. If you apply your stairs first before setting your duplication, you will then need to select your stairs, select the eye icon, tap on Details where you will be brought to a new menu allowing you to set your duplication for your job. If you are wanting to duplicate the same tab, locate the Tools icon in the top left and locate Tabs at the very bottom of the list. This will bring you to your Tabs menu, where you can swipe to the left of your tab and select Edit. This Edit menu is where you can change the name of your tab as well as set your duplication. Once you set your duplication, you can tap on Tabs at the top left to return to your tools and continue on with your project. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and more information for all MeasureSquare products.